In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive a channel in Slack step by step. This is perfect if a project is finished, a team has moved on, or you simply want to clean up your Slack workspace without deleting important conversation history. Archiving a channel keeps all messages searchable while removing it from daily use, which helps keep your workspace organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack either in your web browser or the desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, click on the channel you want to archive. This can be any public or private channel that you have permission to manage. Once the channel is open, take a moment to double-check that this is truly the one you want to archive, because archiving affects everyone in the channel. Next, look toward the top right area of the channel. Here you'll see the channel name along with a few icons. Click on the option for more actions. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a small menu icon. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu with additional options related to the channel. From the menu, select Edit Settings. This takes you into the channel settings panel, where you can manage things like the channel name, description, and other advanced options. Scroll down slightly until you see the option labeled Archive Channel for Everyone. Slack makes this option very clear, so you understand that archiving will affect all members. Now, click on Archive Channel for Everyone. Slack will immediately show a confirmation message to make sure you don't archive the channel by accident. This confirmation step is important because once a channel is archived, it's removed from the active channel list for all members. To finalize the process, click on Archive Channel in the confirmation prompt. As soon as you do this, the channel will be archived successfully. The channel will no longer appear in the active channels list, but all messages, files, and links inside it are still preserved and searchable if needed in the future. And that's it. You've successfully archived a channel in Slack. If you ever need access again, workspace owners or admins can unarchive the channel later, so nothing is permanently lost. Archiving is one of the best ways to keep your Slack workspace clean, organized, and easy to manage as your team grows. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tricks, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.